In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to open a liquor store in New York. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to comment about the process of opening a liquor store in New York, especially New York City. This requires navigating a complex legal landscape, so make sure to follow all the steps that I'm going to talk about. So here's a breakdown of the key steps. First, you are going to need legal requirements and licensing. First, according to the New York State Liquor Authority license, this is mandatory. The SLA classifies liquor stores as an off-premise and requires an L222 permit with a hefty application fee and a multi-year validity period. You then have local laws and permits. New York City might have additional zoning restrictions and permits required for liquor stores, so you have to research local regulations thoroughly. I recommend that you look for these regulations around your area so you are fully aware. I can't go over all of them in this video, but the most important one is, like I said, the L222 permit. And finally, the eligibility. The SLA has specific eligibility requirements for license holders. Ensure that you meet them before applying. Now, you will be able to find all of this information at sla.ny.gov, and you will be able to choose the option to apply for an on-premise or off-premise license, and you can also apply for a temporary one here. The next thing is the location and competition. This isn't strictly tied to the legal requirements, but you have to be careful choosing your location. The liquor store placement is crucial. Research existing competition, zoning laws, and foot traffic patterns. The SLA prohibits certain locations near schools, churches, and other licensed establishments. Finally, the business planning. This is something that you will do outside of all of this, usually by contacting an expert, but you have to develop a business plan. This includes market research, financial projections, marketing strategies, and staffing plans. And for the additional considerations, consider a security system, inventory management, and a point of sale system. I hope I was able to help you on how to open a liquor store in New York. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.